Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I prepared this delicious lemon butter chicken. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let us cook. So guys, here I have my 3 large skinless chicken breasts. I already went ahead and I prepped those. Now I'm gonna be adding my oil, and this is just gonna help the season to stick to the chicken while it's searing. Now our first 3 seasons, we have paprika, Cajun season, and oregano. I'm just combining all that together. Then I'm just going to sprinkle all that over the chicken. Ensure that every nooks and crannies are well seasoned, guys. Yeah, we want our chicken to be super flavorful. Yeah, you're also gonna flip that over and repeat the same process. Now guys, I'm going in with my meat season, and this is a Maggie chicken season, guys. They're not sponsoring me, but I promise you I love this season. You guys can see that in every single videos that I've made, whether I'm preparing poultry or seafood or even meat. You guys always see me using this season, and that is because it's just a complete season. I absolutely love using it. It's so flavorful, and it has little to no salt at all. I love it. I didn't even have to use all these other herbs with that Maggie season. That's how much of a complete season it is. Now I'm just going to finish that off with some dried parsley flakes. And here we have our chicken breast, guys. Just beautiful. Okay, so now it's time to sear our chicken breast. So in a skillet on medium heat, guys, you're gonna add canola oil to your skillet, yeah? And you're gonna sear your chicken for 5 minutes on each side. If you realize that your chicken is burnt and you know that it's not fully cooked on the inside, you guys can always go ahead and finish it off in the oven. Important note, guys, ensure that you're not touching, moving, or even disturbing the chicken while it's searing. Yeah, we want a beautiful sear on that, and we cannot achieve that sear if it's being moved every second. So here I am flipping the chicken over with a tongue, and look at that sear, just perfect. Now this is a perfect sear that we're trying to achieve, guys. Just absolutely amazing, perfectly golden brown. Okay, remember guys, if you realize that your chicken isn't cooked on the inside, you guys can go ahead and finish it off in the oven. Yeah, so for a fully cooked chicken, ensure that internal temperature reaches a temperature at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so now I'm removing the chicken from the skillet. It's not really fully cooked as yet, but I'm gonna be finish it off in the oven for approximately 5 minutes. Okay guys, so with caution, you're gonna deglaze your skillet with broth. Well, I'm adding broth. You guys can go ahead and use wine if that's your preference. Okay, so you're just gonna allow that to start bubbling, and then I'm gonna be adding the butter. You're gonna allow that to melt for about a minute. Then I'm gonna be adding the honey and lemon juice. Then I'm gonna allow that to reduce and start to thicken. Guys, ensure that you're tasting your sauce. Mine wasn't to my liking, so I went ahead and add an additional 3 tablespoons of honey. And I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below, so please be sure to check that out. Now as the sauce starts to reduce, I'm going ahead and I'm adding some freshly chopped parsley. Now I'm gonna be adding the chicken back into the skillet. Then I'm gonna flip it around in the lemon butter sauce and spoon the sauce over the chicken. I'm gonna be finishing that off with some sliced lemon, and this sauce was so good, guys. That tangy sweet flavor from the lemon and the honey, that was to die for, man. It was so good. You guys can go ahead and add some freshly chopped parsley. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Woo! So guys, I went ahead and I served this with mashed potatoes. You guys can go ahead and serve this with rice if you have, or even roasted potatoes, or whatever carb you guys have on hand. The choice is yours. Okay, I love you guys so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And remember guys to check the recipe in the description below. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.